So this week that I filmed this video, it was rainy, like almost every day of the week. Really rainy. A lot more rain than we usually get in Southern California. So yeah, there wasn't really much to do other than just kind of sit inside cozy and kind of just watch it fall. And yeah, we actually ended up going out one of these days when it wasn't as heavy. You'll see later in this video. But yeah, I just got a lot of rainy day clips because it was just really pretty to me, and I don't know. I just love how cozy it is to be inside while it's raining so hard outside. So yeah, enjoy these rainy clips. Found some really big mushrooms on our hike. They're so cool. I love finding mushrooms. It's so pretty over here. It's so green right now because of all the rain. So green. I love it. These mountains are normally pretty brown and dry, honestly, like a lot of dirt, but it's so hydrated right now. Earth is becoming hydrated. Thank you, rain. Gratitude for the water, the hydration. Okay, this is very steep. There we go. Oh, there's a little stream. I love that. So once we get to the top of this hill, we're gonna turn around and go back and probably go to the bookstore, get a warm drink, and just be cozy. I kept telling Nick how LA just felt like, I don't know, just like coming out here and hiking and seeing the beautiful green mountains, how green everything was, felt like we were in a different country. And yeah, look at this double rainbow, so beautiful. It's very muddy right now, so being mindful of that just to stay on the drier path. Can't get over this green, like it's so bright, and I'm just so not used to that in LA. It's so pretty. I just loved the colors of this grass. Just the contrast of the colors were really, really pretty to me. Woo. Time to go back. Let's go. have to show y'all this beauty.
By the house that Ezra always takes books from, you know?
Yeah. Just a random book share in the middle of the mountains. It's raining. It's raining.